everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. I make beauty content, fashion content as well sometimes, and I hope you guys will love and enjoy my videos. So do subscribe and today in this video I will be sharing my favorite base makeup products. Now there are only two products that I've added recently. Like they are so good that they have like replaced my oldies. So that's that, but these are the products I have been loving and I would highly recommend you guys to try. So let's not waste any more time and just start with the video. Firstly, I use the D'Alba spray for my face. Now this acts as a moisture base to my face. It just gives you glow, hydration, and my skin looks so healthy and plumped and glowy. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna spray some of it on my face because this is super lightweight, makes my skin plumped and dewy and glowy. That's what I love about my base. So that's why I have replaced my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream with this, because Charlotte Tilbury cream in winter it's fine, but in summer it felt very heavy, as I have oily skin in summer. So that's why I have just replaced that with the D'Alba First Spray. And you can see my skin is definitely hydrated, looks very glowy, super lightweight as well. Next up, I am going to use my primer. This one is a oldie but a goodie. Like nobody can beat this. It's so good. Even the Color Bar primer is so good, like honestly. But believe me, I have so many of this Smashbox primer with me that I never restock my Color Bar primer. अगर मेरे पास ये नहीं होता, definitely Color Bar primer ज़रूर होता, but other than that, this one is a bomb and it just fills up all the pores I have. This also makes my makeup stay much more longer, and my base feels very smooth so that my other products just melts into the skin. So I'm just going to apply this on the T-zone area. Next up, this one is the e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. I love this. It's lightweight, it's very glowy and dewy. Because I have been using it very long, I haven't replaced it with the Insight one or the Mars one. Not gonna lie, both of them are very good. This one is actually pretty damn good, but yeah, अभी मेरे पास है इसलिए मैंने इसको replace नहीं किया है. जब तक ये ख़त्म नहीं होता, I don't think I will be replacing this with something else. So that's why this is also right now my favorite and I absolutely love this. The shade I use is medium and it just makes my base look so smooth and so nice. I always use this before foundation, but if you want, you can mix it with your moisturizer, your foundation, or anything you like. And look how beautifully this blends, and this matches me perfectly. Just look at the glow, you guys. It's insane. Next up, to color correct my under eye dark circles, my pigmentation, I always reach out to this. This is the PAC HD Studio Concealer. This one, the shade is Fresh Brew. I absolutely love this. This one has thickness, it has coverage. So you have to, because it has thickness, you have to take a teeny tiny bit of it. But it has so much coverage that with that teeny tiny bit of it, it's going to cover out your dark circles, pigmentation, dark spots, anything you don't like, it's going to cover it up. And you can see it just covers up my dark circles so nicely. I love this one. Also, I would like to mention these are the products which are not that affordable. They are mostly drugstore come high-end products. But if you guys want me to do a affordable version of this, do let me know in the comment section below. So this one is a darker shade, but it has very orange undertone to it. So it's going to cover up your dark circles and spots. And if you don't use any warm base concealer to conceal, your base will look grayish. And if you use orange color corrector, you have to be very precise. Otherwise, your skin, your makeup will look too orange. Again, you can see with teeny tiny bit of it, it has covered up my dark circles. My eyelid also has pigmentation. It has covered it up pretty well. Now it's time to cover up my pigmentation around my mouth. Now normally I do not wear makeup every day, but whenever I do, I make sure I'm using something high coverage or maybe as sheer as like a tint. So this one is my absolute favorite when I want that sheer coverage, when I want my skin to, peek through. So for tinted version, I love this LA Girl tinted foundation. It's buildable and it has natural finish, and the shade I use is Warm Sand. So I just like to take a little bit of this on my hand and then apply this with a sponge or a brush, whatever is like I'm feeling like. So you can see the shade match. It is so damn amazing, and even it just gives a very nice kind of a glow to my skin, which I personally love. And you really need teeny tiny bit of this as well. I generally, skip contour like a lot, but I have been loving the Tipsy Beauty contour. But recently I tried a product that actually, replaced it, which is this e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. I love this. It blends so seamlessly. It's like a, butter which melts so nicely. So I'm gonna use the shade called Medium, and it's a perfect shade, and I love the applicator as well. It's like a circular one. So I'm just taking 2 dots right here. यहाँ पे भी मैं लगा लेती हूँ क्योंकि I do have like a double chin. Right now it's triple chin. It's bad. I'm using my favorite Sugar face brush. This one is the contour brush. So I just like to dab and blend it, and you can see while I'm talking, this one is blending like butter, and I'm not even applying too much pressure. It's just so lightweight and so nice. Look at that. It just blended like a dream. Next up is a blush that I have been loving since last year, and I don't think it has been replaced yet because the luminous glow this one gives is just so nice. I'm talking about the Tipsy Beauty blusher. This is the Silk Cushion blush. Now अभी तक कोई भी blush ऐसा मुझे नहीं मिला है जो इसको replace कर पाया है, but I've tried tons of blushes right now. Like recently I've been, for the past 6 months, I think I've tried so many blushes and each of them is so good. But when it comes to, dewy finish, I think this one is great. So I'm using the shade Bouquet of Roses, and this one you can just apply a very, light tint of it, or you can intensify this. So that's why I love this one. Even they have the strawberry champagne one, which I personally do not like. Now don't get me wrong, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे एकदम पसंद नहीं है, मुझे वो पसंद है, लेकिन ये वाला मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है क्योंकि this one has pigmentation and it gives you a natural glow. That one is kind of shimmery, so it gives very sheer pigmentation and too much glow, so that's why मैं इसको prefer ज़्यादा करती हूँ. I love this color as well. It's just so nice and subtle. Again, as I said कि आप इसको intensify कर सकते हो, आप इसको lightly भी लगा सकते हो. Anything you like. Look at that nice subtle glow. I'm using a brush, by the way. Still, the glow this one gives is just so nice. Now for concealer, oh my god. This one is so good. Like, I do have fine lines. It never settles. Super lightweight but very, very, very long stay one. This one is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Long Wear Concealer. The shade today I will be using is Warm Beige. I also use the shade 140. This one is 145. So I'm just going to apply this wherever I need. Now if you look, this one just blends in seconds. Like, it's so good and it gives you coverage and it's super, super long lasting. So I'm just going to intensify my blush a little bit because I want a little more blush today. Again, you can build this one and it won't take off your base. Next up is obviously a powder to set my face, and I love this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose powder. I have been using this since I got married. Personally love this one. The shade I use is Banana Bread. Now what I like to do is just take a little bit, dust off the excess, apply, underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to take little bit more on a puff like this, smoothen it out and then press it. The last step for this base has to be a setting mist. Now this one is the Milani Make It Last original one. I love this one. It gives that very nice dewy finish. It just melts your powder, cream and liquid products together and you will see the difference. I'm gonna use it on one side and show you the difference. I will let this dry. Now look at that difference. This one is more powdery and this one is very fine and it just melts with each other. So that's the difference this spray makes. So this is the completed look. I love this base. It just looks very natural yet beautiful. And also I've changed my dress. Don't mind that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will mention all the links down in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. And I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.